Let the NS Panel's time-automated scene open the curtains to let you enjoy the first sunshine of the day. One tap on the NS Panel switches to your morning scene, turning on your lights and kettle for your morning tea. Enjoy your beautiful morning with your loved one. When it's time to go to work, just one tap on the NS Panel and the leaving scene will take care of your home while you're away. NS Panel's temperature sensor will detect the room temperature in real time and communicate with other smart devices to keep the temperature perfect. You can also set up your preferred temperature through our app or on the NS Panel. After a long day at work, your home is already set to the perfect temperature for you. One tap on the NS Panel will activate the arrive scene and light up your home. If your hands are full, not a problem.
Alexa, turn off the kitchen lights.
Yep, you can control your devices connected to NS Panel through the voice assistant. When it's time to chill, use your customized scenes to unwind and relax. The NS Panel is also a dual-button wall switch for your most commonly used devices, appliances, or lights. If you bring the creativity, the NS Panel will bring the perfect smart home to you.
Sonoff, your smart home choice.